So welcome back to my channel, my viewers and my subscribers. I am just here today and I am giving you guys an update on my father Nubian goat. So this goat farm located in Hanover, Green Island, Salt Spring. So I am going to give you guys some update. He mostly raised Nubian goat. So I am going to give you guys a close-up view of some of them, some yo and some. Most of the ram is actually at bush now. So you guys are not going to see the ram, but most of the yo ones and the mothers, I am going to show you guys them. So please stay tuned. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe if this is your first time to my channel. So keep watching. So over here now, my viewers, are some of them. These are some of the mother ones right here. Over there, come. Right there, you guys can see. Get up. Right there, so coming around here, my viewers. So those right there are some yos. Some of them is actually going over into the old pen that is actually tearing down. But I am going to try and gather them back inside of here. These are most of the yos. Though some of those ones are some younger rams. But right here are the yos right there. So stay tuned. I am going to try and gather all of them inside of this pen right here. So stay tuned. So I actually gathered them back now, my viewers. So right here you guys can see. This is the most of them. Right there. I am trying my best. So these ones right there are some of the young yos. Right there. A beautiful one is actually right there. This is a young ram right there, two of them, right there. Going along. Some of them actually go back inside of over there, my viewers. And some of them is actually over inside of this pen right there. This is a young ram. This is a yo right there. You guys are seeing. This is a mother one right here. And I'm going to show you guys two kiddies actually right there. So for anyone who needed goat to purchase young ram or yo or mother goat, you guys can contact the number. I'm going to pin it down below in the comment section. So you guys can actually give him a call and have a talk with him. So this is a two nice little young ram right there. You guys are seeing right there. One of them is right there. So that one is the mother one right there. You guys are seeing. Come. Right there you guys are seeing. Those are some of the mother ones as well. Very beautiful ram. So I'm going to take you guys along over here now. Here, this is a mother one right here, and he have two lovely kids. I'm going to show you guys. Two of them is right there. They are actually sucking milk. Come. I want to give you guys some closer view on the kid. So maybe I'm going to run the mud, take away the mother one from the kids. Right here. You guys can see this one. It is actually a ram and a she. I'm going to show you guys right there. And this one is another one. This one is a she one, my viewers. And over here you have some more mother ones lying down. This one is a big ewe right here. You guys can see. Cool. Right there. And that one is a mother one right there as well. So please remember, my viewers, like, comment and subscribe. Stay tuned for a lot more videos. Until next time.